Hey guys, Kyle King, Metro 57. I want to speak to the fact of I am a contractor and I'm a tool to the real estate investment industry that buys and sells multifamily property. In the case of this, I have clients that are buying things and they know the financials, they know the operations, they know how to buy this and how to get it through the financing. And then when they get it, they really don't know enough about how to dress it up and make it pretty again or make it functional so they can charge more money. So I give a lot of consultation to my clients on things like you're spending good money, that product will last 10, 15 years versus they put a Band-Aid on something and they spend $2,500 and 6 months later it looks like junk. Sometimes they like to spend $2,500 because they want to stay on the cheap. I have to understand that, so sometimes we do smaller projects, but the reality of it is I got to advise them on what's good money versus bad money, and then they make their own decision. So give me a call if you need something, love to help.